Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the Galaxy S24 imminent release, mobile carrier network interconnection test. According to the available data, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra still won't even catch up with the iPhone 14 Pro Max model. The smartphone test samples do not have satellite communications. The new Galaxy S24 could end up skipping satellite communication as the feature is missing from a test unit. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The information dump on the Galaxy S24 lineup is picking up, and for all the right reasons. The phones are going to debut on January 17 next month. And every day, we are going to hear new information about what the phones are going to deliver. The latest report, however, might not sit well with everyone. According to the industry on the 28th, SK Telecom, KT and LG U Plus recently began testing the Galaxy S24 network connection. The three mobile carriers received the Galaxy S24 Ultra module from Samsung Electronics and are evaluating whether it operates properly in domestic networks. The smartphone used in the test was a finished product, but it was reported that it was provided in the form of a box phone, shaped like a lunchbox to prevent design leaks. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone, according to all available data, should receive a titanium case and support for satellite communications, which will make it more competitive with Apple's flagships. True, recent data suggested that the new product may not support any satellite communications. Samsung has already sent test samples to its new flagships to 3 South Korean mobile operators, and it turned out that these devices do not support satellite communications. This cannot yet be considered as a fact regarding production models, since satellite communications on test samples could simply be completely turned off somehow. However, it is worth keeping in mind that Samsung's new products may well enter the market without this technology. The new Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 6.8 inches screen with dynamic AMOLED 2x QHD Plus resolution. The Galaxy S24 Plus has a 6.7 inches QHD Plus screen, and the Galaxy S24 has a 6.2 inches FHD Plus display. The signature color is expected to be amber yellow. As for the actual truth or scenario, we are not going to be able to tell what the situation is like until the Galaxy S24 lineup goes official on January 17th. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.